Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up use ELM327 safely for EV checking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment for your ELM327 setup. You'll need an ELM327 adapter, a compatible mobile device, and your electric vehicle. First, ensure your electric vehicle is turned off before connecting any devices. Locate the OBD2 port in your vehicle, typically found under the dashboard near the driver's seat. Insert the ELM327 adapter into the OBD2 port securely. Next, turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. Now, on your mobile device, download a recommended ELM327 compatible app from your App Store. Install the app and open it. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. In the app, select the option to connect to a Bluetooth device. Find and pair with your ELM327 adapter from the list of available devices. Once paired, return to the app interface. Follow any prompts to establish a connection with your vehicle. After connecting, observe the data the app displays about your EV. Navigate through the available options to run diagnostics and check performance metrics. Ensure you maintain a safe distance from any high voltage areas in your EV. If any warnings or errors appear, refer to the app's user manual for guidance. Always disconnect the ELM327 adapter from the OBD2 port when not in use to ensure safety. Store the ELM327 adapter in a safe place for future use. Ending your session, turn off the ignition of your vehicle before leaving the diagnostic mode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.